hold up a second. I know.
Don't grab her.
So if you can notice there, that shaft is bent. It'll show up a whole lot worse. But it's really, it's got a huge bend in it. This is the one that was making some noise. And the reason, that's the, your flashlight around here? The reason it had some problems, this is the one I said there's some new parts in it. And it sort of amazed me that that was new. It's an inner shift cable, it's new. All of this is new. So we have not yet gotten the gimbal bearing out. That'll be one of the next things. But if you could look through there, you should be able to see straight down through there to the drive coupler. But the motor is out of line by, I mean, you couldn't even line a shaft up in there. So really can't tell what went on with this thing that bent the output shaft as well as it is, and did all this damage. But something is dramatically not right. And we'll probably do a video of the engine turning over and you see that thing wobbling real bad. And when we do that, we'll have the shaft, the part of the gimbal bearing cut off the shaft.